Kini kikor komputer, kiba internet bador badar. Ni di hajan Jong pi, hang ne hadukan Jongi. Han Nongpoh Town Shopping Complex, Harishan Enterprise, Haka kamera kaba shispa iway. Refurbished laptop but desktop. Phun hau number. Pra iway layar not sau pra san sau. Lane pra lainyo arnyo sawar riunyo. Skills Meghalaya. Kalat sengkam ya Samla. Northeast Institute of Professional Studies Bhoi. Habas Sikkim kalaway ki Khun Samla. Sikkimro ke Jylla. Haka jing penlong ya ke Northeast Youth Festival. Haka Jylla Sikkim. Kabala sedang nadu ka khanyo bat penkot. Haka arpol tarik ulbayar arjar arpsan. Ki Samla Jong Jylla Meghalaya ru. Kila yo ya kalat ban lej ya simpenta seketik lempong. Kabaki Jylla Jong than chatai lamingi kari India. Ki yolat ban peni yala ka bam Tynrai. Ki jing tre jing kta badru ban peni ya ke jing dan jing em Jong Jylla kabaki lej ban mi khamat. Ki Samla Jong Jylla Meghalaya habaki yolat ban lej mi khamat seketik lempong. Kila ra ru yala ki tiar than tiar wet ka bam Tynrai Khun Khasi pat kiwe ki ba penlong ya ki briu ki banabar bakin sungu tanat ban mat ya ka bamu Khasi bat ki tiar gitar ki ba jupan kam daki Khasi ki wan ban thet. Kaba kami tanat cucu ya ki Samla ke Jylla ke long bahaba ki lej mi khamat seketik lempong. Ki pong bat ki padan kam ban Riam milade de ki Riam Tynrai Khasi ha ke jan kersya Shillong ki jan sem ki jan rendia ki dhara bat ukuping upailah.
Masjid ni Jong ni pat jastem masjid kesian explain ang tu ni chutney
Meghalaya dishes. क्या मिलता है?
chutney do
Pork.
and this one is salt plate play pibaro ni dan hang ni mentah MG Park kum kajing sakhi ya ka Northeast Youth Festival kabala penlong Sikkim Gangtok. Misung sorong ba ka Jylla Jengiru kalayok ban shimentah kane ka festival nilayo lahat ban peni ya ka traditional jengi kum haka Riam ka bet kabam ka di ketiu ka shed ka jingshna kitiar bakher kuma pi mentah kini ki sepasni kini ki dhara kini ki jankirsha kini ki pla kini ki ashar kini ki ping tiki siang jong ki Khasi pat kini ki jibam jadi kum ki jastem dan ki do snyang sesau khle bat ki chutney bat ni terpat ru ki priu ki bana Jylla jengi ba pinwan sakhilem hakane ka festival kaban khud haka 8 tarik mentau benai hangni phila banyo ki bam Tynrai bat ki tiar kitab Tynrai kubishipun.
So sister, can you please tell us about your foods that you have prepared and that what you have bought for this 8th Northeast Youth Festival?
Okay, then I'll start from here. So this is one of the most famous dish in Nagaland. So it's smoked pork with bamboo shoot. And the next one, this is also one of the significant dish in Nagaland. So this is smoked pork with anishi. Next we have kalho. This one, this is kolar with roselle. Kidney beans, we can say kidney beans. Naga herbs, and this is bitter gourd chips, and this is the famous Naga chutney, Naga king chili chutney, and this is we have local rice, and this is sticky rice with perilla, and we have this one roselle tea, and this is amla tea.
Okay, sister, I hope you will enjoy this 4 days. Hope to see you in the coming days more again and again, and then we will come for the second round of interview tomorrow. I hope you have a great day ahead. Thank you. We are at the 8th Northeast Youth Festival. The Northeast Youth Festival is finally here. So, friends, brothers and sisters from Sikkim, everyone, you are invited for this 8th Northeast Youth Festival Food Fest, where you will find one of the best foods from all the states of Northeast, and then you'll find the traditional dress, traditional items which have been prepared by the students themselves, by the NYKS volunteers. You'll find everything here. So everyone is kindly invited, and all the people, those who are visiting Sikkim, please come and visit MG Park. The location is at MG Park. Please come and visit and explore this 8 Northeast Youth Fest. Thank you. Have a great day.
Program keba ngilong hang ni hapo gangtok hapo Sikkim gede ka 8 Northeast Youth Festival bentang idam hang ni hapo Taljor Stadium negalian kejongi niwan ban represent ya ka state kejongi state Meghalaya bat haki babon ki benta nagi district ki prepare ngi shim benta haki program hala ki Jong kumta ngi don ki folk dance ki folk song bat kumta ki we de harangkat ro ki don kini ki represent ki we ki team ki be kentuk ya ki NYK bade ki NSS ru kini kita lagi jong ki benta nak benta ni program ngasimet ngan shimbenta Bhoi naki banyak Khun ya ka gitar solo competition nak sini ke Malaysia.
Rainbow of Sound Music Academy kepada Haka Shillong mau berdiri Bhoi District, a music school kepada Pelong, Shisian Shitiau Little Flower Higher Secondary School mau beri. Haka sengi sajan adu Pawbha main step adu Sauba Janmir. Kepada yang sumpai pi barok ki kena ki menadu nyau senam seneng ki Samla ya piru borok ki long kemilong kepa ki bakwa banyo ki Jingiakynduh jingnang syapang ke music. Haka ni ke music school don keyboard ki Jingiakynduh ke gitar, keyboard, bynta, ke bom, ke sing, ke drum, Indian vocal, western vocal dan Khasi vocal. Kane ke music school ke jupunya ki street performance bagi konsert aman lau senam kum kedak ajing seluruh ki kena ki bawan pulih hak ni music school ti parlok baro wan lompat slam wan ban syem ka admission hak ni music school.
Pidon kam projector ban peni film ni pidon kam projector nak bentai ki awareness program jongpi phun singi ni ai wai shapi pran nyau lai wei kendai hendru ar nyau lai